Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to unbox the Syma X100, an amazing drone to fly indoor. So this drone has obstacle avoidance mode, it has one key take off and landing. It also has power odometer set height. This is very cool, 360-degree flip. This one you need to have an advanced skill to do it. So the other features it have is 2.4 frequency. This is very typical, but headless mode. I like this headless mode. It's very fun to fly with. Flashing LED lights, very typical, but it's cool. And this is an indoor drone. Anyways, let's open the box to see what's inside. So let me turn over and show you what I see on the box. This is already impressive, right? So let's take out this probe, the cover of the drone, and I'll show you. It has metallic look. Anyways, this is made with plastic. It looks like metallic, but it's plastic, very light, and it lasts very long. I tested before I make the video. Okay, so let's see what's inside, what else we have in the drone. Alright, so let's open this part. And here you go, this is all the components on the accessories go with the drone. We have the charging cable, which you need to plug in a phone charger to charge your battery. It says a battery, it says a screwdriver, and the drone itself looks metallic, but actually it's made from plastic, very long lasting plastic. This is really good. The battery is here, you can plug into cable charger, charging. And here you are, all the components on here, the screwdriver, the controller, the user menu, and everything is here. So let's test it out to see how it's fly. Okay guys, now let's test out the drone. I will fly the drone so you have an idea how it is working. Anyways, if you want to buy this drone, you can follow a link in the description and use the 20% off. Only exclusively just for this channel. Use this drone, you can save 20% in the description. And finally everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful, and don't forget to use the coupon in the description to save you if you want to buy this drone. And if you have any question about the drone, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm very happy to answer any question that you have. Bye bye for now, see you next time.